Okay, this is how to replace a ceiling fan. So, this one, it got broken last night. I was trying to pitch the blade more. Yeah, that happened. It's a Harbor Freight Currituck River. It's going in the trash after this. Bought a Hampton Bay Glendale to replace it. You can see what it does. So, we're going to put together this fan. That's what it looks like. I like to call these the Hampton Bay Landmark 4. They look a lot like it, in my opinion. Hopefully they keep the Glendale in its original model, because I really like this kind. It's really pretty. You have 4 blades, or not 4, 5 blades, 5 blade brackets, and 2 more here. You have the down rod, which you can buy a bigger one. You get 3 LED bulbs. These used to come with CFLs, but now they come with LEDs. Here's the hardware bag. Check it. Make sure. Check the cardboard. Make sure it's doesn't have anything else in there. Unpack the rest of the light bulbs. I'll probably end up. Well, I'll use these. They're free, so I might as well use them. And based on 3 hours a day, these should last 10 years. That's when they expect you to buy a new fan, I think. So, throw this and make a mess. Put the light bulbs over here. You'll need these later. Put the hardware bag. This is like the wire nuts and pull chains. They've cheapened out on those too. Get the blades. You got the canopy. Unpack the glass. Keep it in its packaging or not. These actually come with traditional glass shades that you screw on, or have little set screws. I have the same fan in the closet in my mother's closet. She wanted a fan in there, so we bought one. It was originally in my room, then I put up the Harbor Freight Classic, and then that fan went in her thing. Fit and finish is nice. Hopefully it doesn't happen like it happened to the fan that's in the living room, because we installed a 52-inch Glendale. It was a pain in the butt to install. Hopefully this doesn't get broken. Has that nice new outgassing Chinese smell. Once you remove all of all the contents from the box, check it, and you may want to use this either if you're taking down a fan to save it, which what I did. I like to keep the box, but I mean if you're throwing the fan away, take that apart. I'll probably just snap the blades off. I'm just gonna throw the whole thing in the garbage. But use that. Use the box to put the old fan in. Next, you want to go source a Phillips head and flathead screwdriver. After you've sourced your cheap Chinese Craftsman and your somewhat decent quality Husky screwdriver and your good old American-made Craftsman, you don't see this anymore. Made in USA. This thing is probably 30 years old, maybe 20. It's perfect. It's a little rusty, but it works perfectly fine. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take these screws off. I'm pretty sure, yeah, you can just discard these screws. What Harbor Freight does is that they have the screws already screwed in there, which I think are dumb. Well, I mean, they are true traditional ceiling fans because you got to put all the blades together with set screws, and you got to put all these in there. But what I like about these, the screws are captive, and these, it's the quick fit installation, so you just snap these in place. Our Hampton Bay Carlton 2's like this. These are the blade brackets. They look cool. Oh, and you're also going to need a pair of dikes. Don't get the kind that ride bikes, though. Those will not help you with this installation. Okay, so what I like to do is, I know with Hugger fans you have to put them all up together on the ceiling, but what I like to do with hanging fans, I like to put them all together, except putting on the light shades and the pull chains. I like to put everything together. Maybe sometimes leave out the light kit, but put them together on, like, and then just bring the whole fan up to the ceiling, all put together. You just got to put the mounting bracket up there and wire it. These are the kind of dikes you'll need. You want to cut the wires, say about there. There we go. Save the rest of this wire unless if you need to use it for something else. I've been saving my the wire. I do it because I had to replace a couple ceiling fans. Next you got to prepare this, the down rod. Pull this pin out. Make sure not to lose it. If you do, you'll be up a creek. Throw that away with the fan. And I'll probably just put it in the junk pile. Okay, do not forget the canopy. I can't tell you how many times I've missed this and had to take out this again. Feed it through there like that, and feed that through there. Let's be smart about this. Strip these wires like this, if that'd work. Nope, I guess not. Damn it. Yeah, no. These won't work. Tighten these set screws so this is tight. There we go, that's nice and tight. You pick this finish or that finish. This more looks like a cheap photo. This looks normal. I'd pick the white finish, but that's just personal preference. Once you got the fan hung up, open up these cheap Liberal Special bulbs. This is the bulb that Harbor Breeze supplies. It's really small. It looks really dinky in these big shades. These are the bulbs Home Depot gives you. I'd pick the Home Depot ones over these. They are free though, but use that one as a junk spare light bulb. See, because they look normal in here. Here we go. Perfect. There we go. It's ready for the dumpster. See, this blade finish is nothing but paper. Lately, Harbor Breeze has been cheapening out on their pull chain. See, this is a good one. Now the new ones are so thin and stupid. I'll go show you that. Hey, Mitz. This is the pull chain now. And see, the Lowe's light bulbs look so dinky in these fans. Looks a lot better than that hunk of shit. These are, well, if you live in Florida, these are about $64. Sales tax is about $4, not $400. Hopefully that doesn't happen. $4, but elsewhere, but the base price for this starts at $59. So definitely good fan for a small room like this. This is the laundry room. So there you go.